Okay, so we'll continue with exercise 7.5. Question number 13. 2 by 1 minus x into 1 plus x square. So this integral is of which type? You see here we have x square, means this is a quadratic equation, right? So if we have a quadratic equation, that means we have to make the integral of this type. I've given before. See this one. We have a quadratic equation here, right? X square plus bx plus c. So that means we have to make this integral of this form. Okay, a by x minus a plus bx plus c by x square plus bx plus c. So same thing here also, you have to integrate this. So let this part 2 by 1 minus x into 1 plus x square equal to a by 1 minus x plus bx plus c by 1 plus x square. Okay, equation 1. So now let us take the LCM. So LCM of this and this will be same only, you just multiply it. Okay, both will be same again. Then after simplifying you will get this a into 1 plus x square plus bx plus c into 1 minus x, right? So this both the denominators are same, again cancel. So we'll get 2 equal to a into 1 plus x square plus bx plus c into 1 minus x. That is equation 2. So now, as we have done in earlier classes also, now what we have to do, we have to consider this as 0, right? So let 1 minus x equal to 0. So from here we will get x equal to 1. Okay, and what about this? So this part we cannot consider 0. Why? Because if we consider it as 0, you see 1 plus x square equal to 0. So from here we will get x square equal to minus 1, right? So x will be what? Plus minus root over minus 1. So you see we are getting negative number, right, inside a root. So that does not exist. Okay, actually that is an imaginary number, that is equal to I. Okay, so we will not take this. Okay, because we are getting an imaginary number, but here we are dealing only with real numbers. Okay, so we cannot take this as 0, so that part is excluded. So we got the value of x, that is equal to 1, right? So now we'll put this value in equation 1. So what we'll get? Putting x equal to 1 in equation 2 we'll put, sorry. So we'll get 2 equal to, just in place of x we'll put 1, so it will be 1 plus 1 square, that is 1 only, right? 1 square is plus b plus c into 1 minus 1. So we'll get 2 equal to 1 plus 1 is 2, right? So 2 into a will be 2a, and this part will be 0, right? Because here 1 minus 1 is 0, so 0 into b plus c will be 0. So we got the value of a, that is equal to 1. So now we have to find the value of b and c also, right? So how to find that? We have to compare the coefficients. Okay, so first we'll compare the coefficient of x square. So comparing the coefficient of x square in equation 2. So here what is the coefficient of x square? Yeah, here we'll get, right, ax square, and here also we'll get bx, yeah, minus bx square, right? So let us compare. See, on the left hand side we don't have x square, right? That means the coefficient of x square is 0. So we'll get 0 equal to, and on the right hand side we have a into x square, so that is ax square. So coefficient of x square is a, so I've written here a, and then this part will get, right, bx into minus x will be minus bx square. So coefficient of x square is minus b, so we'll get 0 equal to a minus b. Now a we got 1, so in place of a we'll put 1, so 0 equal to 1 minus b. So from here we'll get b equal to 1. Okay, so we got the value of a and b, right? Now we have to find the value of c. So for that we'll compare the coefficient of x. So let us see what are the coefficient of x. So in this part we will not get coefficient of x. Yeah, here we have, right, bx into 1, that is bx. So coefficient of x is b, and then if you multiply this, c into minus x will be minus cx. Yeah, so coefficient of x is minus c, and on the left hand side we don't have any x, so coefficient of x is 0. So comparing the coefficient of x in equation 2, so we'll get 0 equal to, this part there is no x, right? So this part is 0 only, no need to take this part. So this part will get bx and then minus cx, that means b minus c. Okay, so 0 equal to b minus c. So 0 equal to, and b we got 1 minus c. So from here we'll get c equal to 1. So we got all the values of a, b and c. Now we'll put these values in equation 1. So what do we get? We'll get 2 by 1 minus x into 1 plus x square equal to, in place of a will a we got 1, right? So in place of a will write 1, and bx plus c. B also we got 1, so b into 1 will be b only, and c how much did we get? C also we got 1, so it will be 1 plus 1, x plus 1, sorry. b into x, right? And b we got 1, so it will be x plus 1 by 1 plus x square. So now we have to integrate, so let us integrate. So integration of 2 by 1 minus x into 1 plus x square dx will be, okay, we'll just put dx because we have to integrate, right? Okay, now we'll separate this. So we'll get integration of 1 by 1 minus x dx plus, see here you have two parts, okay. First we'll separate for this x by 1 plus x square and then plus 1 by 1 plus x square, okay. Here we'll get plus integration of x by 1 plus x square dx plus this 1 by 1 plus x square dx. So this and this part we know the formula, will just put it for this part, okay. See, if we differentiate this x square, we'll get 2x, right? And then we can cancel this x and x, okay. So this part we'll consider, we'll substitute, okay. Let 1 plus x square equal to t, or let t equal to 1 plus x square, okay, only for this part. So if we differentiate, what we get? dt equal to dx, dt by dx equal to 2x, right? Differentiation of x square is 2x, 1 is 0 only. Then we need what? We need x dx. So here let us just cross multiply, we'll get dt equal to 2x dx. So this 2 is here, right? You can bring here 2, right? You will get dt by 2 equal to x dx. So we are getting this x dx is dt by 2, right? So in place of x dx we can write dt by 2. So 2 is constant, so we'll write it outside, that is 1 by 2, right? Because we got dt by 2, so that is 1 by 2, we can write it outside. And what is remaining then? dt by, and this is what? T. So what is the differentiation of 1 by t? Log t, that is log, and what is t? That is 1 plus x square, okay. So we get half log 1 plus x square. And for this one, differentiation of 1 by x is what? Log x, right? And we have to multiply the coefficient of x also again. Actually we have to divide. In differentiation we multiply, but in integration we divide, right? So coefficient of x is minus 1, so it will be divided by minus 1, or minus, we can just write it here, okay, because denominator we will make it positive. So it will be minus log 1 mod of 1 minus x, and plus half log 1 plus x square, okay. This part I have done it from here, I have written the answer directly. You can simplify and more and write, plus an integration of 1 by 1 plus x square is what? Tan inverse x plus c, okay. So that will be the answer.